Does your website accurately reflect your brand's vision? Does your website appear old and outdated? Do you feel like it's time to pull down your website? If any of the above resonates with you, then it's time to allow our website developers to come in and give your website a facelift, literally. It is often said that you only get one chance to make a first impression, and in your case, a well-built website will leave a lasting impression on your customers. We know renovating a website can be quite an involving task, and that is why at Your Business Growth, we specialize in website renovation that will see your website attract more visitors, increase your revenue, and establish fruitful business connections. To renovate your website and save you lots of money and time that you could have spent in developing a new website from scratch. Your website plays a critical role in helping you acquire customers, which will translate into the overall growth of sales and revenue. Still not convinced? Here are some of the reasons as to why you need our website renovating services. Renovating your website with us will improve your conversion rates. It will boost your brand's image. You will attract potential customers and investors. You will scale up in search engine rankings. There is no better place to outsource website renovating services than from us at Your Business Growth. Contact us today and visit our website www.yourbusinessgrowth.com.au.